Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play against the other player to reach your fan base or increases your fan base. So what you need to do is tap the quest button at the bottom of your screen. So there are a lot of daily quests and also weekly quests that you can challenge and get the rewards. But what I want to show you is the bottom one. This is versus attack. Grow your fan base. Reach VSA amateur 3. So reach the higher league. Tap the go button. As you can see, this is the another player, online player that you can match against them. So what you need to do is play and find the opponent. So it will be the same, 200 fans and 200 fans. So this is fast pace match, not a full match, not a 90 second 90 minutes match. I mean, it will be so fast. So what you need to do is score more than your opponent. So please win it to grow your fan base and increase your league. Yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.